Welcome to First in Learning, your one-stop solution to learn accounting practically. If you want to be a bookkeeper, payroll expert, VAT expert, accounts assistant, we have all the training for you. Moreover, you can be a management accountant, financial accountant, or start your own accounting firm. All these you get at a very affordable cost, just £50. And this is your course structure. You can see yourself at the top Big Four, you see, KPMG, PwC, Ernst & Young, Deloitte. So this is what included in the courses. We have fantastic 5 courses for you people, very suitable for AAT, ACCA, CIMA students. Anyone wants to start a career in accounting and finance. So don't delay. Enroll today and learn many more softwares and bookkeeping, accounting from top educators and trainers of United Kingdom.